Hi there, today we're going to show you how to do a head clean on the Epson Photo R285. So with this particular printer we need to hold down this button here for 3 seconds until the power button starts flashing. There you are, you can see the green light flashing there. That indicates that the printer is about to do a head clean. It will take a few minutes, so we'll let it do its thing for a second. Okay, so you can now see that the head clean is complete and that green light has stopped flashing. If you want to see how the head clean's gone, you can do a separate nozzle check or a test page, and we've got a video for that on our channel. So that's everything for today. Thanks for watching. Please give our video a like if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to our channel if you fancy.